Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel, and today I have the last part of my Valentine's decorate with me. I will be decorating the shelf in my kitchen and the shelf on my wall. I wanted to bring you guys along with this on this journey with me. I enjoy it, and I know you guys enjoy watching it. So come along, get cozy, get comfy, and let's get decorating.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you?
Alright guys, so before I start decorating, I wanted to show you guys a shelf that I got from Michael's. It was from the Indigo line that was out early on this year in January. I'm thinking it's the early part of January, but this is the shelf that I got. There are two sizes, and I think this is the 40-inch, and I think there's another size between 45 or 46 inches, and I thought this would go great above the rack right here, because as you guys remember in my Christmas videos, there was nothing but just a mug rack right here. So this adds a bit of jazz to this space, and I could add other stuff here along with the mugs, and I also add a nail right here to add any pieces of decor, that hanging decor, to complete this area. So let's get ready to decorate this space, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. I lose my breath whenever
guys, that is a wrap. I have finished decorating my kitchen for Valentine's Day. I'm super pumped how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well, just as I enjoyed decorating it. And I thank you guys for showing all the support that you have been showing so far. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes, all the subscription. Thank you again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I upload a next video. On that note, I want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. Have a blessed day. Peace.